So guys, welcome to Mbaitu farm, and today we are talking about sawdust, how to change your sawdust, to turn this sawdust. You can see the sawdust that we have there looks fresh, but over here we have this type of sawdust. Like you can see, it is dusty. This one is dusty, and the reason why you should change your sawdust is because this dust can cause respiratory diseases. So you should change your sawdust at least once a week. Every week you should change the sawdust that you have. At Mbaitu we teach you on how to do this. Once you see a lot of dust, this is dust that comes due to the refuse from the chicken, the fecal material of chicken. So you have to be considerate so that your birds may not contract the disease, the respiratory disease, and it will be very important. The importance of sawdust is to dry the fecal matter. It will dry the fecal matter. It dries the fecal material. So you should change your sawdust after a week. This also sawdust helps in ensuring that your chicken house is not stingy, does not smell the bad odor. So you have to consider this. Change your sawdust every week. It is essential. Toulouse! I wish you all the best in your farming activities.